Hello everyone. Topic is stack implementation using arrays. Stack concept we can implement with the help of arrays and with the help of linked list also. So I'm going to discuss stack implementation using arrays. Stack means linear data structure which follows last in first out order. So implementation using array. I'm going to declare one array. So array maximum size we have to take. I'm going to take maximum size is 5. So if we take maximum size of array is 5, then for 5 elements it allocates a memory. Always index starts with 0 in arrays. So like this, for 5 elements it allocates a memory. So in stack there is only one endpoint. From this endpoint only we have to insert and remove the elements. And array name is stack. Stack means it is one array name. This is stack of 0, stack of 1, stack of 2 like this. If at all you want to insert any one element, where we have to insert stack of 0 only we have to insert. Next we have to insert the element in stack of 1, stack of 2, stack of 3, stack of 4. Like this we have to insert the elements one by one. And randomly you cannot insert. So in sequential order one by one we have to insert the elements in stack. So every time whenever we want to insert, what you are doing, simply index value we are incrementing by 1. Okay, whenever you are going to write program also, what we have to do every time increment index value by 1, in that location we have to insert the element. Okay, this index will be assigned to any one variable. I'm going to declare one variable that is top. So top initially it is -1 because not it inserted even single element also. If at all we want to insert the element, always increment this index value and in that location we have to insert the element. Fine. Okay, first I am going to insert the element 50. Where we have to insert? So in 0th location we have to insert index. We have assigned it to top. So always increment top value by 1. In that location we have to insert. After incrementation, -1 plus 1 it becomes 0. So stack of 0. Stack means array name. Stack of 0 means this memory location. How to access this memory? Stack of 0. In stack of 0, I am going to assign 50. Now, top it is 0. Okay, clear? Next, again insert. It is very simple. Every time whenever you want to insert any one element, you have to move to next location. In that location only we have to store the element. Same location I cannot store the element. What I have to do? I have to go to next location and I have to store the element. Have to move to next location. Simply increment top value by 1. Now it is 0. 0 plus 1 it is 1. So now top becomes 1. Again assign the element in stack of top. Stack is array, top is 1, stack of 1. Assign the element to stack of 1. Like this we can insert the elements. Insert in stack, we'll call it as push. So push means inserting element into stack. So again insert means increment to top, insert the element. Again I am going to insert one element, increment top value by 1 in this location. This location means array name is stack, stack of top. In stack of top position I am going to insert the element. Stack of top is in third loop, top is 3. Stack of top means this memory. In this memory I am going to store one element. Again insert means increment top value by 1. In this location we can insert the element. Okay, now again I want to insert the element. Can I insert increment to top value and in that location can I insert? There is no fifth location. How can we insert? It is not possible. Now the stack is full. So when we see the diagram, easily we can identify. Now the stack is full, easily we can say. But compiler, how can compiler also can see the diagram and can tell your stack is full? No, it is not possible. Then how to convey the message to compiler? So we have to write one condition. Based on the condition, compiler can understand. Okay, now the stack is full, cannot insert the element. So it will send one message. So what condition we have to give? See, now the maximum size of array is 5. So top value is 4. Now the stack is empty. It means that if at all top equals to maximum minus 1. See, always if maximum is 10, The last index is 9. Okay. Now the maximum value is 5. Last index is 4. In last index also element is there. It means the stack is full. So have to write the condition. This index I assigned it to top. So always we have to check where is top. If at all top is maximum one position, if at all top it is in maximum one position, it means that the stack is filled with all the elements. Now the stack is full. If top equals to maximum minus 1, you cannot insert the elements. Otherwise we can insert the element. So always insert means what we did, just simply increment top value by 1. In that position in stack of top we have to insert the element. But before going to insert the element, we have to check stack is full or not. If at all it is full, we cannot insert the element. Otherwise we can insert the element. So first we'll write push function definition. So I'm going to write push function definition. So first we have to check it is full or not. If top equals to maximum minus 1, then print one message, stack is full. Else we can insert the element. So first of all read one element. So printf, enter any one element. So that element I am going to assign to one variable, that is x. So that x we have to insert in stack. Where we have to insert? Increment top value by 1, stack of top equals to x. So this x is assigned to stack of top. So this is about push function. Very simple. If it is full, you cannot insert the element. Otherwise always increment top value by 1 in that location, means stack of top equal to x. And next we'll see pop. Push means insertion, pop means delete. So delete means randomly you cannot delete the element. Delete means always we have to delete the last inserted one only. So if at all you want to delete 75, directly it is not possible. You have to delete 90, then 85, then only you can delete 75. Okay. Now delete means 90. How to access this 90? Here the array name is stack. Stack of 4. Where is 4? In top. So stack of top. Don't confuse, the array name is stack. Index we have assigned to top. So stack means array, top means index. So always delete means we have to delete stack of top element only. After deleting this element, which one becomes topmost element? 85. 85 index is 3. 3 becomes top. It means you have to decrement top value by 1. Now top is 3. Topmost element is 85. Again delete. Delete means again which element we have to delete? Stack of top. Once you delete this one, top is decremented by 1. See, again don't confuse, stack of top is 75. Top equals to 2. Top means only index. Stack of 2 means stack of top is 75. Always delete means stack of top means element we have to delete. Once you delete this element, the next element becomes topmost element. Now the index is topmost element index is 1. 1 is assigned to top. It means simply decrement top value by 1. Again delete. So delete topmost element stack of top and decrement top value by 1. Again delete. Delete stack of top, decrement top value by 1. Now top is 0. After decrementation, top becomes minus 1. So again delete means, is it possible? No. Because what is top? Minus 1. So if top equals to, now I am going to write pop function definition. If top equals to minus 1, then you can print one message, stack is empty. If it is empty, anyway you cannot remove the element. Otherwise, which element we have to remove? So deleted element equals to percentile d comma stack of top. Always we have to remove stack of top only. After removing this topmost element, top is decremented by 1 because the next element become the topmost element. So this is about pop function. Push means increment top, insert. Delete means delete and decrement, just opposite. And one more function, it is peek function. Peek means always returns topmost element. How to access topmost element? See, for example, if there are two or three elements in array, 50, 60, some 70, 0, 1, 2. Now what is top? 2. Topmost element. How to access topmost element? Stack of top. Simply we have to display stack of top. This is peek function. And display means from 0 to the last element we have to display. So now I'll write complete program including main function also. Now we'll write a complete program. First I'm going to start with main function. Before main function, first we have to declare max. Hash define max. Max value it is, I'm going to take 5 and I'm going to store integers in stack. So we have to declare one stack, integer stack. Stack is one array and size is 5, means max, stack of max. And just now we have discussed about all this, so directly I am writing top. Index we are assigning to top. Initially top value it is -1. So these two declared as global because complete program you can use these two variables. And now I am going to write one main function. In main function, first I am going to display one menu like operations performed on stack. /n means in next line it will print. So printf 1 means you can select push function, you can insert and pop, and one more it is a peek. So 4 means display. So these many operations you can perform on stack. And one more it is exit. You don't want to continue these operations, simply you can exit from program. So select, you can select one choice, enter your choice. So that choice will be assigned. Choice is 1 or 2, 3, 4 or 5. All these are integers. So we have to assign to one integer variable. So I am going to take ch. If at all ch is 1, we have to call push function. If it is to call pop function, 3 means peek function, 4 means display function. If you don't want to continue with operation, simply you can exit from the program, you can select 5. So if at all ch is 1, call push. Ch equals to 2, pop. Else, if using else if ladder, you can write. Or simply you can write switch case, switch off ch. Okay, if at all it is case 1, call push function and break. Okay, like this. Right, the remaining cases also, case 1 to case 5. Case 5 it is exit, call exit function. See, 1 means push. Now next write a case 2, 3, 4 also, and case 5 is exit. Like this we have to write all cases. If at all ch is 1, it will call push function. If at all ch is 2, it will call pop function. If at all it is 3, call peek function, display function. If it is 5, call exit function. I am going to close switch case. So first time when you execute this main function, it will display one menu. You can select one option. Based on the option, particular function it will call. Second time, again if at all you want to insert any element or you want to perform pop operation or peek operation, again you have to go back and you have to execute all these statements. So all these statements I am going to write in one loop while 1. So I am going to close here. While 1 means it's a true condition, always it becomes true. You may get the doubt when it becomes false, when we can exit from the while loop. I'll tell you. So initially while of 1 means condition becomes true. It will display one menu. You can select the choice. If your choice is based on your choice, it will call any one function. Okay, and again it will come back to here. Again it will display the menu. So repeatedly you can select the option, and if at all you don't want to continue to perform stack operation, simply you can select 5. 5 means it will exit from the program. So that is the reason all these statements I have written in while. Okay, here we have used one ch, that is integer, so I am declaring ch also. This is main function. Next we'll write push function and pop functions and remaining functions also. Now I am going to write the definition of push function. So inserting element. Usually where we have to insert the element in stack, always we have to increment top value by 1. In that location we have to insert. Initially top is -1. If at all we want to insert the element, top is incremented by 1. After incrementation, top becomes 0. In this location we have to insert the element. Again insert, increment top, insert the element. Okay. So first, we have to read one element. Printf, enter element to be inserted. Which element you want to insert, that you have to read. So I'm going to store that element in one variable, that is x. Now x we have to insert in stack. Always where we have to insert next location. Have to find the next location, increment top value by 1. It means index value by 1. In that location, increment top. Here we have to store. Here means how to access this memory. Array name is stack, index is top. So stack of top equals to x. Now x will be assigned to stack of top. Like this we have to insert. Again insert means increment to top, insert. Increment to top, insert the element. Again insert means not possible. Now the stack is full. If it is full, we cannot insert. Then have to write the condition. If top is maximum -1, it is full. So first we will write the condition. If top equals to maximum -1, print one message, stack is full. So if not full, then we can insert the element. Else, read one element, increment top value by 1. In that location we can insert. So close else part and push function. We are not returning any value. So the return type of push function, it is void. Next one, pop function. Pop means remove topmost element from stack. So now remove means topmost element is 90. We have to remove 90. Have to access this 90. Array name is stack. Stack of 2. Where is 2? In top. So stack of 2 element we have to remove. It means stack of top element always we have to remove. So I am going to print this message. Printf deleted element. Always we have to delete stack of top. Stack is array, top is index. Okay, after deleting this 90, 75 becomes topmost element. Topmost element index is assigned to top. It means decrement top value by 1. Again, now delete means which element we have to delete? 75. How to access 75? Stack of top. Delete 75 and top is decremented by 1. Again delete means delete 55, decrement top value by 1. Now top becomes -1. Now again delete means not possible because stack is empty. So if top is -1 means it is empty. If top equals to -1, stack is empty. Else, so deleted element is stack of top and decrement top value by 1. Close this else part and pop function. So again we are not returning any value, so the return type is void. Next is display function. Display function means we have to display all the elements from stack. First we have to display stack of 0, stack of 1, stack of 2, stack of 3. Like this we have to display. So we have to repeat one for loop. For I starts from 0, I less than or equals to not last index. Always you have to repeat the loop from 0 to top. Now top is 3. So this is only the topmost element. There is no element in next location. So we have to repeat the loop from 0 to top only. I less than or equals to top, I plus plus. So printf %d stack of I. Initially I starts from 0, so stack of I means stack of 0. Next time I incremented by 1, stack of 1. So first it will print 15, 17, 25 and 80. Like this we have to print all the elements. Again in display also, if stack is empty we cannot display the elements. So declare this I value, and if at all top equals to -1, printf stack is empty. If it is empty we cannot display the elements. Else repeat one for loop. With the help of for loop you can display all the elements from stack. This is display function. Whenever we start execution, always execution starts with main function and it will display one menu. You can select, so choice. So if at all you want to insert, select one. If it is one, it's simply called push function. So this is push function. So it read one element, it will insert the element into stack. Again it will come back to calling statement. Break means exit from switch case. Again it will go back. Again the loop is true. While of 1 means always it is true. Again you can select any one function. If at all if you select pop, so it will go to pop function, it will delete and again it will come back and again it will display the menu. Until you select 5 repeatedly it will ask you this menu, means your choice. It will display menu and it will ask you enter the choice. Like this repeatedly you can perform the operations. This is main function and this is push function for insertion, pop function for deletion, peek means which returns topmost element, display means display the elements from stack. Thanks for watching. Any doubts you can ask in comment section.